Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The gold dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The pound-dollar price remained largely unchanged in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The last session saw the Aussie gain 0.7% against the dollar. According to the CCI, we are in an overbought market.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
U.S. stocks were mostly lower in afternoon trading, with trading choppy as investors were cautious before third-quarter earnings season. Cryptocurrency researcher Elliptic has raised $60 million from investors, including SoftBank and Wells Fargo's venture capital arm, as more mainstream investors bet on the blockchain analytics sector. Chevron Corp has set a target to cut operational emissions to net zero by 2050, joining a list of energy companies taking steps to reduce their carbon footprint.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 0900 GMT. Germany's ZEW survey, Current Situation, at 0900 GMT. The UK's ILO unemployment rate at 0600 GMT. The US Redbook Index will be released at 1255 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 2350 GMT. The U.S. NFIB Business Optimism Index at 1000 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.